Hey everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a Dollar Tree sticker video. So today, kind of like my last video, I'm kind of using the same type of sticker because they have so many pretty ones that I wanted to use. So I'll share with you right off the bat what I used in this video. So this was one of the wall stickers, and it comes in two sides. And I've seen this several times and thought, how pretty is this? And how could I use this? So I decided to go ahead and use it on a few cards that I made. So let's see, I used that. And then I also used from Gina Marie this, I think it's the Nested Scallop die set. Really like this one. And then I also used from Simon Says Stamp this set, and it's called Marquee. It's 3 dies. So let's look at the cards. So the first one up is just super simple, pretty card. I just love this. I am so into simple cards lately. I think I've used so many die cuts in the last few months that I may be a little burnt out on die cuts, and I don't color. So now I'm finding other alternative ways to make cards, and here is one that I think turned out really lovely. And I have some little gems here. I think these are from Gina Marie too. Super cute card. The next one, this one says, celebrate your special day, so a birthday. And then I just put 2 little pink gems on here, and I think these are from Spellbinders. But that one is really pretty. It's just a really pretty design. I would love this if it was in paper and not a sticker, a wall sticker. And then last but not least, the sympathy card, which I kind of die cut it twice and then raised the centerpiece up on some foam to give it some really sweet dimension. And that's the third card, the sympathy card. And I do believe I've completed this one. I used the pre-made sympathies. I think they're from maybe Trinity Stamps. Maybe that's not right. I'll put the name down below, but it's really convenient to have. And so here you have the sympathy card, celebrating you, your special day, and it's your birthday. So let me know which is your favorite card. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you all very soon. Bye.